Today, we will discuss what algorithms are and how we use them in everyday life. But before I explain what makes algorithms so powerful, let me show you something you did this morning. Making a cup of tea seems simple, right? Boil water, add tea bag, pour water, add milk. Sugar done. What you just followed was an algorithm, a step-by-step set of instructions to complete a task. In computer science, algorithms work exactly the same way. They're precise instructions that transform inputs into outputs. Every good algorithm has three key features. It's definite with clear steps, it's feasible using available resources, and it always terminates, meaning it actually finishes and gives you a result. Think about your phone calculating a route home, or Instagram recommending posts you might like. These use complex algorithms, but they follow the same principles as our tea-making example. Some algorithms are simple, like adding two numbers, while others sort massive amounts of data in milliseconds. Algorithms can be written as flowcharts, pseudocode, or actual programming languages. But understanding them isn't just about writing code. It's about learning to break down problems into logical steps. That's why algorithms are the foundation of all computer programs. Master algorithms, and you've mastered the language computers use to solve every problem. Next time you're following steps to do anything, remember, you're already thinking like a programmer.